Hi, my name is Lipsanan Naik. I'm basically from Odisha, and recently I have joined AWS in SDLC training center. I came to know about this institute from Google. In SDLC, trainers are very good and experienced, and they are very friendly in nature, and the way of expressing the solving the problem is very good, and we are easily understand the anything like Linux commands, any AWS courses we are easily understand. When in SDLC training center, 1 hour for theory and 1 hour for practical session, and sirs also available in SDLC full time. Whenever we require, we just go to them, and they also solve our problem so easily, and we also understand the same issue, and in that same day we have done the same thing whatever sir told in classes also. Overall in SDLC, trainers are very good and they are well experienced, so I suggest you all to come and join in SDLC. This will be good for you all also. In SDLC, management is very good. Also they help to provide the installation in fee, and they are very much supportive to choose our career. When I joined SDLC, I chose AWS, and their management, they provide me right path. If I choose AWS, means what are the career opportunities, everything they will help. And for fresher and experienced persons also, they are telling about the career path, and they are allowing us to contact with trainer to know more about this course. Overall in management of the SDLC is very good. Also fee structure is also reasonable, and according to our requirement, we are also our trainer also comfortable with that timings, and this is very flexible to all of us. And after this class, trainers also provide some online videos so that we can prefer those videos, and to if any problem also we can get back to our trainers also. And they are in management, they are very motivation always. In after this class, they have take care of us also, that how much courses has been completed or not. They are also talking with our trainers also. Overall management is very good, and if any freshers and experience also, they can provide the right path to choose their career, and also they provide so many good companies to proceed their future also. Earlier when I joined SDLC, in that time I am little bit confused about my career. Also AWS is a very much in market, AWS is very much good in market. Also in the due to management and due to trainer, I have completed 1 month, and I have more confident about AWS course, also the all the things. And if I will go for any interview, I personally believe that I will crack definitely. And any freshers or experience who are looking for any jobs and any opportunity, but if you are looking for any opportunity, I personally recommend to go and check with our training center. They will definitely help you us. And before I personally check with so many institutes also, but when I know about SDLC training center, then I think that I am choose the good institute also, and this will be very beneficial for me, and I personally recommend you also to come and join in SDLC. This will be good for your career also. Thank you very much, and all the best everyone.